Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to load laundry detergent in the LG Inverter Direct Drive washer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're at an Airbnb and you want to go ahead and use their LG Inverter Direct Drive washer. How do you actually go ahead and load laundry detergent inside of it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to use this, what you're first going to do is open up the lid. And then right over here where it says detergent, this is going to be the drawer that you actually go ahead and pull out. And this takes laundry or liquid laundry detergent. Now, if you want to go ahead and use powder detergent, you could actually just go ahead and remove this tray. But I prefer liquid detergent. There's a max option right over there. But once you load the liquid detergent, you can close it up and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and load liquid laundry detergent in the LG Inverter Direct Drive washer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually use this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.